There's one last thing for this beginning chapter. It's angle conversions. There are actually two ways to think about angles. If I just drew a 90-degree angle here, you could call this, with the box or with 90 degrees, there is one other way to write it, and that is called pi over 2. Now this pi over 2, this is called radians. So let me try to explain where this comes from. Alright. So radians comes from the fact that a lot of angles are focused on a circle. If I travel from here to there, that is 90 degrees, but it is also a length of pi over 2 if I traveled along the circle, and this was a unit circle, meaning that the circle was 1 in each direction. And if I had traveled around here, I would actually travel a total of pi. If this was 1 centimeter, this length here would be pi centimeters. This would be 3/2 pi, because it's a half, a half, a half, 3/2. And this you could call 0 radians or 2 pi radians. And so it's just another way of sectioning up angles. So one thing that you could write down, it's probably the easiest way to think about it, 180 degrees is traveling from there to there, which is also pi radians. Okay, now, to actually use this, if I had 27 degrees, and I want to change it into radians, I can just use my conversions again. 27 degrees, and I times by, well, I know 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. And so my degrees cancel, and I'm left with my calculator. 27 times pi divided by 180 it's about 0.471 radians. I should probably stick to 0.47 radians. So it's a little weird to get used to if you haven't seen it before, but it's not hard to convert. This is the key to conversion. Just remember that.